Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. It's a frosty morning here in Cloquet, Minnesota. I've got a couple of the guys that work for me coming up this morning. Have a few things that need to be done on the house, and I had an opportunity kind of between jobs for a day. So I thought I'd bring them up here and let's get some stuff done before winter. One of the things I hope we get done today is replacing that garage door. The overhead door right there, that one does not work. It's got a hole in that bottom corner. The tracks are all screwed up inside, so I'm going to put in, you guys saw in a previous video, I got a used 16x7 raised panel white insulated. Hopefully everything will fit, and that'll go in today. We bought a used snowblower. I picked that up yesterday. Gonna need one of those for sure. This is Minnesota. Can't really go without one of them if you don't have a snowplow or something. And they also had a self-propelled used push mower that they were just giving away for free, so I said I'd take it. It works. I don't know if we'll use it here. We already have a self-propelled push and a rider, but this would work really good up at the tent, so I picked it up. I'm going to put a new stairway going into the basement because the one that's in the house right now is really horrible. As you can see right here, it's almost like a ladder, so I'm going to take and pull that out, put in a real set of steps, and then when we do remodel stuff, you can see right there I'm going to need more headroom, so I'm going to take that out and just create more headroom. It'll take a little bit of space out of the bathroom, but it's a big bathroom and we have some ideas on what we can do there. In this basement there's a couple of water heaters. I think when they replaced them they just let everything just sit down here. This is the one I just took out maybe 3 weeks ago. When I put in the brand new one, there's another water heater just sitting over there that I don't know how old that thing is. There's 2 washing machines down here. Anyway, all of this stuff I want to get pulled out of here, and then I'll just call somebody that, I don't know, a recycling place or whatever, they can take all this stuff away. But it's really going to be nice to have a set of stairs in here that you don't think you're going to die on when you're walking down them. Next weekend I'm going to come up here. That's the weekend before deer hunting. I hope to come up here anyway, and I'm going to move the fifth wheel. We don't need it anymore. Everything works in the house now. In the near future here, I'll do a video. I'll walk the property a little bit. In fact, I was just out there because there's a deer stand that's out over there that's pretty much in pretty bad shape. There's one that's behind the big barn building that's a sit-in deer stand. And I was walking way back in the trees back there because, you know, it's almost 40 acres. That's a big chunk of property. And I walked a little bit of it before when the leaves were on the trees, and I walked out there, and right in the middle, I don't know how I ever missed it, there was a deer stand. When they built it, they certainly didn't build it level, but it's pretty strong and it's way up there, so that was pretty cool to find. But anyway, I'll do that on a future video. Today we're just going to get a few things done around the house here, and the guys should be here pretty soon. Well, we got all that stuff out of here. Now we're working on that garage door. There was water in the washing machine, so I dumped that out. I can't sweep over here yet. And eventually, whatever that shower thing is they have there, I have no idea. because I don't know where it would have drained to. But anyway, I'll get that out of there too, but not today. And that old wood burner, that thing is really heavy, and the wood oil burner, whatever, and it won't fit up the stairs, so I'm going to have to take that apart in pieces eventually and just cut it up and get it out that way. And we're going to stop for lunch, and then I'll get into these stairs and put in a new set. Just getting these old ones tore apart and taken out of here. Well, there you can see the not legal stair jacks that were in here and the legal stair jack I just cut. So we're going to have not much headroom, but that, like I said, that's something when we remodel, we'll take care of that problem. I have all 3 new jacks put in, and now I am putting on the treads. The garage door is all installed now. I did not get time to put in the automatic opener yet. That'll have to come at a later date, but at least we got this far. Well, thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I have to leave a little after 5 in the morning to be down to work by 8 o'clock. I will see you guys on the next video.